Hey, it's Rick. Welcome back to the channel. We appreciate you stopping by. This is an update on the modern farmhouse build that we've just got done. And this is going to be a barn door for our cat. Everybody gets barn doors. There's our barn door over there. This is going to be our barn door for the cat. It's going to be a swinging barn door so he can go in and out of his litter box. We're going to cut a hole in the wall. Once I assemble this and put it back together, I'll show you what the completed project looks like. It wasn't real hard to make or assemble. And right now we're just painting it up. All right, so here's all the pieces. We painted them. There's the white bracket pieces, and there's the gray door, and there's the hardware. Got a piece of all thread that goes right through the center that we drilled right through the center of the door, and that goes right into the rails on the side with some washers. And here's the original design that I came up with, just to give you an idea how wide the door is, like 8 inches wide by 12 inches, and then a frame running around it and something similar to that. All right, so now we're fully assembled. We painted up the door frame and the door itself to match our barn doors. And just to give you some dimensions here, 15 1/4 by 16, and the door itself is 1 foot by 8 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and install that. You can see now how it's going to work. Hopefully our little buddy's going to be able to push the door open and come out, and that's going to keep his area concealed where he goes and does his business. Okay, so here it is. It's completely completed now. I've gone ahead and I made some upgrades to it. I cut out some flat stock, some metal flat stock, with a cutoff wheel with a grinder, and I spray painted it black to match the wrought iron railing to kind of blend it in, give it that farmhouse look. It just needed a little pop to it, so I think that set it off a little bit. Subject to change, I'm sure. We'll see what my wife comes up with, if she likes it or not, and whether our cat even uses it. That's going to be the big thing, right? So you can see there, it's working perfectly. I went ahead and lubricated that shaft and the hinge system there, so it's working pretty good. Shouldn't take a lot of pressure for our cat King to push in and out of it. I'll see if I can get some B-roll footage here that I can throw in here on the back end, and you can see it working. So stay tuned for that. Let's get the ugly part out. Hey, down here in the bottom, there's been a subscribe button that's been running there the whole time. Please subscribe. It helps out the channel. It lets YouTube know that you like us. Smash that bell. That'll notify you immediately. Please share with your family and friends. Give us a like, a thumbs up, and that'll push us up higher in the rankings. Take care, everybody. Now here comes King. There goes King. He's using the door. Went right through. Let's see if he comes out. I'll edit this while he's doing his business. Nobody likes to be filmed while they're going to the bathroom. Now, if this doesn't work out for you, you may have to crib your door open, meaning put a little piece of wood in there, or maybe something in the hinge mechanism to keep it up so your cat will use it. And then slowly over time, just put it down. Make sure the door isn't made too heavy, depending on your cat. King is kind of a big domestic cat, so he's used to pushing things open. He pushes our doors open all the time, our regular doors. Good boy, King. Good boy. Well, that's it, people. Hope you liked it. Take care. Good luck with your pet door. Let me know how you make out. Thank you.